Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Advanced Features of PowerPoint 2016, Chapter 3 in Computer Subject Class 6. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. Now, tick the correct option. First, which of these is not an audio file tab supported by PowerPoint? Answer C. ASF2. Which of the following is not a correct audio option? Answer loop until stopped. 3. Which of these is not a video file tab supported by PowerPoint? Answer B. WMA. 4. Which of these you cannot open using an action button? Answer window 10. 5. Which of the following is not printing option? Answer B. Print selections. Write true and false. If you are not happy with your recording, you cannot record again. False. Second, you can insert a video file from the internet in your presentation. True. In a presentation, you can insert only audio files from your PC. False. Four. Action button are same as hyperlink. True. 5. We cannot take the print out of a single slide. Answer false. C. Fill in the blanks. First, clicking on action options open the insert audio dialog box. Second, clicking on media button starts the recording. 3. You can insert a video file from the insert group in the audio tab. 4. My PC button are some built-in shapes which you can add to your slide. F. Application based question. First, your friend wants to create a PowerPoint presentation with recorded audio. Can you help your friend by writing the steps to do so? Answer: go to the audio session and record the audio, then add to your presentation. The audio, then add to your presentation. Okay, student? Guess my name. I am an option in PowerPoint that allows to add your voice as audio on a slide. Record audio. 2. I am an option that allows you to add a video on a slide from the internet. Online video. 3. I am an option in the print screen that allows you to print only the selected slide from a presentation. Answer: print custom range. 4. I am a print layout that prints only one slide of the presentation on the entire page. Answer: full page slides. 5. I am a built-in shape in PowerPoint that allows you to perform an action on clicking me action button. Okay, student? I have done some question in book. After that, question answer D and E in notebook. Advanced features of PowerPoint Chapter 3 in Computer Subject Class 6. Question. Short answer type question. First, what will happen if we select the print all slide option in the print setting while printing? Answer: when I select the print all slide option in PowerPoint's print setting. The software will print every slide in your presentation. This is useful for creating handouts or physical handouts or physical copies of your presentation for distribution. 2. What is the use of action button? Answer. Action button are some built-in shapes which you can add to your slides. This action happens when you either click an object or hover your mouse over in a slideshow. Explain notes pages. Answer. Notes pages include your notes and each slide in the presentation. Each slide print on its own notes page. Your notes accompany the slide. You can add data such as chart or pictures to your note pages. Long question, tab question. Long tab question, okay? First, write the step to insert a video file from the internet. Answer. To insert a video file, follow the step given below. First, step 1. Click on video command under the media group of the insert tab. A drop down menu displays two options. The options are online video. It select and insert a video file from the internet. Some websites such as tab allow us to insert a video in our slides. All the video controls such as play, pause, volume, etc. are also on the website, but when you play the video you must be connected to the internet. The video playing in the slideshow notice the name of the website and the control buttons. Video on my PC. Selecting these options opens the insert video dialog box. Browse to the location of your video file. Select the video file. Click on insert button. Step 2. Step 1 and step 2. Step 2. The video will be स्टूडेंट ये रहा स्टेप 1. ओके, ये स्टेप 1 एंड दिस आंसर. And step 2. The video will be added to the slide. Clicking on play pause button will play or pause the video file. When the video plays, the timeline indicates the duration of video played so far. 2. Write the name of any 3 printing option. The names of 3 printing options are: first, print all slide. Choosing these options will print all the slides in the presentation. Second, print selection. These options will print only the selected slides from the presentation. Third, print current slide. This option print only the currently open slide. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, bye.